Welcome to A Passion for Detailing. My name is Kieran and thank you for joining me again. Today we are here at lovely Rest Park and I'm going to share with you guys my car that is limited edition. It's fast, it's furious. So sit back, relax and let's get at it. So here she is, my Mitsubishi Evo 10 fq440. It's got 440 horsepower, more than enough for most people. For me, it has all the mod cons that I wanted a car to have. With the 440 horsepower, you did get a bigger HKS turbo, big Alcon brakes, upgraded intercooler, and a Jan speed exhaust. And for me, it's the absolute weapon of a car. Is a dual clutch transmission. Yes, it is not a Evo 8 or Evo 9, but for me, when I saw this car 2 years ago, I couldn't get enough of it. I had to buy it. But this is the first time I have seen this car in one whole year. So this is the first time I've driven it and the first time you guys at home have seen it. Only one of 40 cars, so it is super rare, and for me it stands out from the crowd. As stock standard out the factory like this, there isn't much that's going to beat it unless you're spending some serious money. But I'll leave it there, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe in the bottom, and I'll see you in the next one.